Did you know that we've added layers to the PDF version of our new sewing pattern, the Thea Trousers? It's Frances here, Product Manager and unofficial tech support at Tilly and the Buttons. And if you've never used layered sewing patterns before, don't worry, I'm here to give you the full lowdown. Layered PDF sewing patterns are set up with each size placed on its own individual layer, which means that you can hide the sizes you don't need and print just the ones you want. This will not only save you ink, but it will also make cutting out your pattern a bit easier because you'll be able to see your size line more clearly. To use this handy feature, first open your PDF sewing pattern in Adobe Acrobat. You can download the Reader version of Acrobat for free from Adobe if you don't already have it. Click the Layers icon to open the Layers panel. Now click the eye icon next to each of the sizes you don't need to hide these layers. Here I only want to print sizes 6 and 7, so I'll click the eye next to all of the other layers to hide them. Once you have just the sizes that you want showing, you can hit print, making sure your print settings are all correct. So full scale, portrait, and I'm going to click poster to centre the tile. And that's it, your pattern will print with just those sizes.